Next-generation blockchains have emerged since the growth of Ethereum in 2017. Many have sought to address the biggest obstacles to adoption like scalability and interoperability. Cosmos Atom, a blockchain of blockchains, is one such project that has gained traction in these years. The Cosmos network seeks to connect various disparate blockchain networks with its ecosystem. With such a network, individual networks can open the possibilities of decentralized systems by freely allowing assets to move between chains, making the flow of information, data, and value more fluid than ever. The co-founders of Tendermint, the gateway to the Cosmos ecosystem, were Jae Kwon, Žarko Milosevic, and Ethan Buchman. Although Kwon is still listed as principal architect, he stepped down as CEO in 2020. He maintains he is still a part of the project, but is mainly focusing on other initiatives. He has now been replaced as Tendermint's CEO by Peng Zhong, and the whole board of directors was given quite a substantial refresh. Their goals include enhancing the experience for developers, creating an enthusiastic community for Cosmos, and building educational resources so greater numbers of people are aware of what this network is capable of. The live Cosmos price today is $28.67 with a 24-hour trading volume of $797,070,416. Cosmos is down 3.87% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 20. With a live market capital of $8,209,791,753. It has a circulating supply of 286,370,297 Atom coins, and the maximum supply is not available. If you would like to know where to buy Cosmos, the top cryptocurrency exchanges for trading in Cosmos stock are currently Binance, OKX, Mandala Exchange, BitGet, and Huobi Global. This is Cryptocurrency Worldwide. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos about cryptocurrency. Now, let's dig in this thing, Cosmos. What is this? Cosmos is a project strictly focused on solving the interoperability problem between blockchains. The team calls it the Internet of Blockchains, which is about as apt a way to describe its utility as any. With its design, Cosmos hopes to bring both interoperability and scalability solutions to the blockchain space. The project was announced in 2016 and held its ICO in 2017, raising a modest $17 million. In hindsight, it seems the project was tremendously undervalued. The team put the funds towards the development of some of the fundamental building blocks of Cosmos. The Cosmos network launched its mainnet in 2019, and has seen some growing popularity within the crypto space since then. Projects that have launched in the Cosmos and its Tendermint ecosystem include Binance Chain, Terra, and Aragon, among many others. A major concern for some in the crypto industry centers on the levels of fragmentation seen in blockchain networks. There are hundreds in existence, but very few of them can communicate with each other. Cosmos aims to turn this on its head by making this possible. Cosmos is described as Blockchain 3.0, and as we mentioned earlier, a big goal is ensuring that its infrastructure is straightforward to use. To this end, the Cosmos Software Development Kit focuses on modularity. This allows a network to be easily built using chunks of code that already exist. Long-term, it's hoped that complex applications will be straightforward to construct as a result. Scalability is another priority, meaning substantially more transactions can be processed a second than more old-fashioned blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum. If blockchains are to ever achieve mainstream adoption, they'll need to be able to cope with demand as well as existing payment processing companies or websites, or be even better. So, how does Cosmos work? At a high level, Cosmos functions as a hub where different networks can exist independently, with the hub facilitating interactions between them. The Tendermint protocol lays out the rules for the interaction, and is a POS blockchain, making it more efficient and environmentally friendly than some alternatives. With it, multiple assets are compatible with each other within the Cosmos ecosystem, thanks to the Inter-Blockchain Communication (IBC) protocol. In short, Cosmos is a network of blockchains that operate parallelly and independently, using their own consensus mechanisms, like the Tendermint consensus mechanism. And what is Cosmos Hub? The Cosmos Hub is at the heart of the whole interoperable system. The hub plays an intermediary role, almost like a translator for the different languages that the member blockchains speak. It keeps a record of the current state of every Cosmos zone that is connected to the hub, with these zones representing individual blockchain ecosystems. As such, it is a router for each of Cosmos zones. Furthermore, what are Cosmos zones? Cosmos zones are application-specific blockchains. Cosmos is designed as such that these zones can choose to accept or refuse connections with any others that are connected to the hub. By facilitating the creation of POS blockchains, instead of the more cumbersome POW blockchains, the Cosmos SDK helps teams build zones efficiently and quickly. There are a few features that are particularly important to the utility of Cosmos. Cosmos SDK. The Cosmos SDK is a modular development framework that lets developers create application-specific blockchains or zones. The Cosmos team says that developers can build their own zones very quickly, which is essential to the adoption of the network. Governance. Governance sees Cosmos validators and delegators vote on proposals, such as changing network parameters or other typical decisions made in a governance forum. There are a few different periods that go into the whole process. First, during the deposit period, users deposit their atoms into a proposal, which goes on for 2 weeks. Then, the voting period begins, and contributors can cast votes. Delegators can also offer their atoms for voting influence to validators. Lastly, the tally period takes place. A minimum of 40% of the total staked tokens after the voting period must vote. So, how many Cosmos coins are there in circulation? Atom has a very specific total supply, 260,906,513 to be exact. About 203,121,910 were in circulation. It is worth noting that these cryptocurrencies aren't mined instead, they are earned through staking. 2 private sales were held in January 2017, followed by a public sale in April of that year. This raised a total of $16 million, which is the equivalent of about 10 cents per atom. Breaking down the token distribution, about 80% was allocated to investors, while the remaining 20% was split between 2 companies, All-in-Bits and the Interchain Foundation. Cosmos has compared Atom tokens to the ASICs that are used to mine Bitcoin. As a technical paper written by the Tendermint team explained, it is a piece of virtualized hardware, economic capital, that you need to obtain in order to participate as a keeper in the network. And what about how to stake Cosmos? Staking Atom also helps secure the Cosmos network. There are the usual benefits to this, such as contributing to the network's success and potentially seeing a rise in the Cosmos price. The staking APY varies, but is typically 9.7% of the staked Atom. To stake Atom, you will need some first. You can buy it from Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken and move it to a non-custodial wallet that supports Cosmos staking. Many Cosmos stackers use Kepler Wallet. Next, you will have to choose a validator. For most wallets, you can choose a validator from a list of validators. For other wallets, a validator is pre-selected for the wallet user. After choosing a validator, you select Delegate and enter the amount. Confirm the transaction to start staking. Then, here is about how to buy Cosmos. As it is widely known in cryptocurrency trading, the Cosmos Crypto Atom is available on several exchanges, including the world's most popular ones like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. With a little bit of knowledge, knowing where to buy the Cosmos Crypto shouldn't be a problem. To buy the Cosmos token, you won't need much more than an account on one of these exchanges and some capital. On top of that, you can store Atom on a variety of different wallets for safekeeping. Before I close the line, how is the Cosmos network secured? As said earlier, Cosmos uses a proof-of-stake consensus algorithm. Validator nodes that stake a higher quantity of Atom tokens are more likely to be chosen to verify transactions and earn rewards. Nodes that are found to be acting dishonestly are penalized, and they can end up losing the tokens that they had at stake. Finale is the future of Cosmos. The future of Cosmos is hard to define accurately, given that there is so much competition in this space. Recent Cosmos news doesn't grab as many headlines like some other projects, but it's clear that the market is in need of strong interoperability solutions. Cosmos has already demonstrated the efficacy of its features and design, so what matters now is healthy adoption and facilitation of interaction between different networks. Only time will tell if Cosmos can do well in the years to come, as the near future will see interoperability requirements increase.